Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. Just in Dublin and Novanta. Credit cards and the scammers. Pandas, welcome to the stream. I'm Baba Money. Thanks for joining, everyone. Thank you for joining. We trade here live every single day. 9:15 till whenever I feel like it. I actually will be ending the stream a little early today. Just a slightly early. A little bit early. We do have Jerome speaking today at 10 o'clock, so please be aware. We may get some volatility. Hopefully we will. I mean, I hope the regular trading hours look something like the Globex, because the Globex is, putting the regular trading hours to shame. Look at how nice this price action is, right? It's not choppy at all. It's just movement. It's just trending. Jeez. Just looks too nice. Make sure you scalp that like button. I'm gonna start making this channel a giveaway channel. If we hit a certain amount of likes, I'll start giving away some stuff. I'll start giving away like gift cards, things like that. I should really do it. I hate how I have to essentially buy likes from you guys, but that's essentially what I have to do at this point. I wish you guys could just scalp that like button out of pure support, but it's not happening. Good morning, pandas. Ooh, a nice little push up here. We're gonna wait till the market open to jump in on this one. I mean, look at this, pandas. Yesterday, did you see this move down yesterday? These two huge red candles. I mean, that was wild. Like, I was just minding my own business, having some fun. And all of a sudden, you get this huge bear candle and another bear candle follow through. It was wild. It's absolutely insane. And then absolute chop for the rest of the session. I mean, that scared me. I felt like, was there news or something? Did something happen? The market just plummeted like a rock. Was there news for this? I don't even know. I really don't even know. All right, we're just rocket shipping. We haven't touched the 20 EMA since 4 a.m. And we've just been rocketing upwards. I skipped this big mama because of the fact that we haven't touched the 20 EMA yet. And we're just ramping off. We're not even at the market open. And we're just blasting off right now, pandas. Absolutely blasting off. Jeez. Is this the first time? Okay. Testing the weekly high soon. It's just absolutely ridiculous, the price action. Why can't we get some good price action during the opening hour? That's all I'm asking for, man. Is that too much to ask for today? Is that too much to ask for? I hope we can get it. Look at the top left of your screen. We made our accounts green again. We are above the starting capital position, the 150,000. We're currently at our lowest account. We have $9 of profit, pandas. Hey. Green is green. At our highest point, we're above $104. Pandas. I mean, we were like down negative like 1,200 or something. We're back up now. Pretty big swing here on this account. We're back though. Pandas, we are back. We're ready to go. We're ready to rock and roll here. Just give us a good day where we can just make like $1,000+, please. Green is good. Let me say good morning to a couple of my pandas. Bill7, good morning. Timothy, good morning. Welcome, welcome. Hugh, welcome. Mo7, welcome. Yes, scalp that like button, as Bill says. Daily chart, we are inside bar. We're breaking the inside bar to the upside on a strong uptrend. Basically come back down to test the bottom of the channel. We can just keep rocketing up here. I mean, nothing's stopping us from going up, to be honest. Right? We were making new all-time highs, and we continue to make new all-time highs. And we will continue to until we get like a massive reversal, I think. YL, good morning. I mean, I appreciate it. I'm glad you enjoyed the aesthetic. So sexy. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Mike Thompson, welcome. Drop a GM in the chat if you haven't already. Scalp that like button. Support your boy. Support your panda. Your favorite panda. We're back at the weekly open here. Interesting. I mean, is it interesting? Not really. Is it that interesting? I don't think so. We just created this huge kind of doji bar right now on the weekly. We didn't even break the previous candle's low on the weekly. Sad. But the fact that we rocketed off of it, I don't know. Alright, Panis, let's make some bamboo today, yeah? I would like that very much. I would like to be green on the stream. Not only green off stream, but green on the stream. Again, Pandas, top left of the screen. You can see where we are on our journey. We are back green again. And it feels good, you know. It feels like we got a brand new start here. Good morning, guys. Rain Uzu. Good morning, Tate. Welcome. Market's about to open. Remember, Powell speaking at 10. Hopefully, he'll inject some volatility into the market. By the way, Pandas, BBM will last until right, this whole promo, 3 days to pass, $35 resets, BBM for 71% off. This whole package of promos is going to end next week on Wednesday, the 13th. The good news, Pandas, is that next week, on Tuesday, we have some huge news. We got CPI numbers. And if you guys know anything about CPI numbers, it has to do with inflation. Anything to do with inflation, the market spikes one way or another pretty strongly. And so that means free PA counts, right? Essentially, it is not. I mean, obviously it's not 100%, but it's a high percentage chance that you can pass your evals in one single trade, right? You literally trade max contracts on whatever account you're trading. Which reminds me, and you have to calculate how many points you need to pass, but essentially you can do it in one single trade. All right, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this in tranches here. I'm gonna add each Apex account, and then we're gonna keep making polls until we figure out exactly, in order, what your favorite accounts are. All right, Pandas. I already know the 50K account's gonna blow all of them out of the water. You know what? We should put the static here, huh? I'll put it later. Okay. All right. We'll start with these tranches, and whichever one wins here, then we'll put into the next poll. Is that even fair? Does that even make sense? I don't know. Yeah, pre-market has been crazy. ASCII is asking. He's asking about the forbidden jitsu. I don't mention it. I don't say you should do it. I don't say anything about it. It's just forbidden. But you do what you. I'll just say this: Apex does not care what you do with your evals. For them, the more evals, the better. And the important thing is, pandas, once you get past your accounts, you need to trade micros so you can fulfill your trading days. Like when I say trade micro, I mean you flip a micro. You literally go get in and out of a micro trade, one contract. You don't just trade. You get in and out. You'll lose a little bit on commissions, but hopefully you've made enough buffer where that wouldn't make enough difference. All right. Honestly, do I even have to put the 50K account? Obviously, the 50K. A lot of you guys like the 25K account. Okay. 11% of you guys, 25K. 25K account's not that bad, actually, right? If you just like crank it, actually, it's not that bad. It's good because you need so little to be able to withdraw. That's why it's nice. Market's about to open in 2 minutes here, pandas. By the way, if you're new to the channel, top left of your screen is my my rhythmic capture. You can follow along on all my accounts. It's not all my accounts, but it's the accounts that I'm trading with Stream. And top right, you can see which time frame I'm using. You can see right now I'm on the 2000 tick chart. Bottom right of your screen, you can see how much I've made today, and also you can see a little clock there. You can see what time it is, and obviously you can see all the promos in the HUD. And then my beautiful face on the bottom left. Good morning, guys. Jeff, good morning. Ruben, welcome, welcome. Speedy boy, welcome. Okay, right now the clear winner is a 50K. And we'll do the next tranche with the rest of the accounts, I guess. Honestly, Apex made a new logo, but I honestly just like the bull. The bull is so cool, like their golden bull. That should just been their logo. Don't you agree, pandas? Like, you know how on their website they have like this golden bull? I think that's like that itself is like it's pretty cool promo, like our brand, our logo. All right, all right, okay. 50K obviously wins here. Let's do another one here. I'm curious what you guys. Market's about to open. I'm curious about on the higher ones, which one do you guys like? Okay, second entry long here. Finally touching the 20 EMA. It took forever. Technically didn't touch it. Technically didn't touch it yet. I mean, I gotta go long, right? I mean, we're just on a massive uptrend. I mean, most likely late in the trend, and it's too late. The risk is small. I'll take it. Remember, Pandas, market, we do have news at 10, so we could get some wild movement later. And we could be pretty choppy until then. Right, Jerome Skis is speaking at 10 o'clock. Powell. looking to at least like try to retest the top here. Get a nice little push up here if we can. Are we not gonna get it? Looks a little sus. Looks weak. Very little follow through. Weak follow through. Doji bar. It's a nice push up here if we can get it. I mean, you gotta lose the first trade, right? You gotta lose the first trade of the day. That's just customary at this point. It's the law, basically, at this point. You gotta lose your first trade. I'm entering a higher low here. Ooh. Onto the higher low here. I'll say one contract. I'll say one contract. I'll be a good little panda today. I'll say one contract. I like the higher low though. I mean, we get a fail second entry short. It's gonna be hard to resist that. This is having a hard time doing anything here. I could skunk it at this point. Ooh, second entry short above the 20 MA. That's a little weird. But now the bulls are having a hard time making money. Right? It used to be easy, now it's hard. Right? Everything's a first entry. All first entries making money here. I might as well, pandas. If it, as long as it doesn't give me outside bar reversal, I might as well go long here on this trap. Alright, gives me outside bar reversal. I'm sitting on my pause here. Okay, it pops up. Triggers a trap. Not much coming from it though. This is just grinding right now. Grinding. Trap looks like it's about to fail. I don't know. I feel like I should skunk this one. Yeah, no follow through on the trap. I'm skunking it. I don't know what's happening here. I don't like it. We had 2 points in the bag, but at the end, it just doesn't look good now. It's just too much chop, too confused, and it's taking too long. Right? I was in this trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. Like, I don't want to stay longer than that. The market could go sideways for a while until Jerome starts speaking. Okay, now we're popping up. It's just wild price action. It's very choppy. That actually looks good for a long. Jeez. Skunked it too early, maybe. Skunked it a little too early, perhaps. I mean, I didn't like it. I didn't like all the chop back and forth. It's just too confusing for me. Oh, this is really going off now. Darn it. Darn it, pandas. I mean, what? It's really going off now. I mean, it was like 6 candles. Like, why? I don't want to stick around for 6 candles. It just took too long to make my explosion. But finally it does go off here, making that new high. Darn. Jeez. Stupid. All good. On to the next one. On to the next one. I mean, that's just unfortunate. Right after you got a trap here, then another high, then another second entry short, then the trap, and that trap fails. It's just too much back and forth here. I felt like it could just plummet like a rock at any moment. And after 6 candles, like when you're in a trade, like this setup is not meant to last for 6 candles. It starts to get 50-50. Fortunately, this time, if you're in the trade still, it works out for you. So it's all good. It just got super annoying here. All these dojis, and it's got very frustrating. So I'm okay with skunking that. We'll move on to the next trade. But this is like an invincible uptrend right now. It's like actually invincible. We're breaking the weekly high again. I mean, I'm thinking we're gonna bounce off of it this time, but I don't know. We'll see. We're such a strong uptrend. We're going right to it. Pajok says, average about 300 plus on my PA for 9 days, and on the last day I lost about 500, but still above the goal. Will the loss affect the payout? No, it shouldn't. That's actually perfect. That's kind of like what Apex is looking for. It doesn't matter if you lose. It just matters if you're above the target goal and if you stay within the consistency rule. They don't care if you lose 500. Yeah, really going off now, unfortunately, without me. I was in a nice trade here, I guess. I mean, the risk was so small. I might as well just have held it, but when I see price action like this, I've seen this enough times where this means that things are just not, it's just getting super random. I've seen this enough times where, it usually doesn't. This usually doesn't happen. It usually goes the other way. Let's just say that. This time it went this way, but trust me, I've seen this many times where I overstay my welcome on my trade. 6 candles in, I should just get out. It's not like I lost money on that trade. I gained $8.32. It's a Chipotle burrito, Panos. Across 4 accounts. That's 4 Chipotle burritos. High or low here? Approaching the previous week's high. Just on a rocket ship going upwards. I mean, it's late in trend, obviously, now, Pandas, but, I mean, it's still a rocket ship. 10,000 tick chart is clearly just a spiking channel. This is 1 leg up, Pandas. Right, actually, 2 legs up starting from here, but spike channel. Let's see if we can capture that in 2,000 tick chart, this spiking channel here. Spiking channel. Yeah, that looks good.
10,000 tick trap.
Take it. We haven't quite touched the weekly high yet. We've got another second entry long forming here. I mean, can I? Second entry long, Pandas? Will I be able to take this trade? Even though I skunked this beautiful trade, can I take this ugly looking trade? Ooh. It's an ugly looking one. I don't know why I'm so tempted to take it. I think because we're so close to a magnet. I feel like we're going to touch the magnet here. I gotta try. I gotta try. 1 tick. I gotta try. I mean, 1-to-1. Ugh. I got too greedy, Pandas. I mean, I saw it bounce off the trend line. I thought that was enough, but this, I got real greedy. What a dumb trade. That was the dumbest trade of 2024. What was I thinking, Pandas? What was I thinking? I mean, I couldn't even hold it this one when it actually looked good. But now, when I see an ugly trade, I enter in and I'm willing to hold it to 3 points of risk. I mean, we're just so close to the magnet here. I felt like, all right. I mean, we'll probably come up to the magnet coming off our... Now it actually looks good. This setup looks better if we can actually trigger the second entry long here. Dumbest trade 2024. Jeez! It's going to get me. 99% sure it's going to get me here. I get punished, right? Bulls make money, bears make money. Pigs get slaughtered. That was a pig today. I mean, is there any reason to even have hope here? I don't think so. Ooh, don't give me slippage. Okay. Hey, at least it didn't give me slippage, Pandas. I mean, we were so close to the previous week's high. I felt like we could just done another push up to it, but that was the last straw, Pandas, of this uptrend. That was it. I mean, it was late in trend. We were off the trend line. I felt like there was a chance, really close to magnet. Give it a shot. I think the risk was worth it. It's 3-point risk. Pandas! Pandas! We'll get it. Don't worry. We'll get it. Okay, now we're melting here a little bit. Okay. Okay. Potentially looking for a new high here. I mean, fail second edge short would be the best setup, obviously.
5-minute trap.
Okay. So I want to make a new low first. Okay, looks like it's pushing down here. Yeah, I wouldn't mind that new low here if we really decide to go long.
Tick trap.
Ugh. You know, at this point, I'm just happy I didn't get slippage. I mean, from the things I've been going on stream the last several weeks, like, not getting slippage is a win for me. Jeez. I've gotten 2-point slippage before on stream, seen live by hundreds of viewers. Ban us. Ban us. Ban us, ban us, ban us, ban us. Jerome Ski's starting to speak in about 15 minutes or 16 minutes. All day downtrend out here? Huh. Interesting. I don't know. Maybe. Could be an opening reversal. Ooh, that's a pretty strong downtrend. Pushing down. Back to the previous week's close. Okay. Okay. Opening reversal on the 5-minute chart. Right, 5-minute gaps up. Gaps up, pushes up, and then just reverses. And this could be a strong reversal. Like, it could be a downtrend day today. This is why we just take our stop loss here and we don't try to scale in. Whew, imagine trying to scale in here. You're dead. You're just dead. Maybe Powell will when he starts speaking, the market will fly back up. Okay, okay. Pushing down pretty hard. No entries, as always. 2000 tick chart's trash. Getting a bounce off here now. Right, 10,000 tick chart almost touches the 20 EMA. Almost. Doesn't quite touch it yet, though. Okay. Am I looking for a long trade here? Or am I thinking this has reversed and looking to go short? That means I'm looking for a second entry short here. I don't know about that. It makes sense still, but okay. Am I looking to go short or am I looking to go long? That is the question. Looking for a reversal here. There's obviously a pullback currently, in my opinion. DH says, guess peeps got tired of buying Nvidia, huh? Jeff, I was down 500. Now I'm up $25. I need a whiskey. Time to celebrate. A $25 whiskey, in fact. You deserve it. Okay, pushing up here. Right, on the higher time frames, the 10,000 tick chart is literally just touching the 20 MA at this point. 2000 tick chart had this huge push down. Makes it makes it look very bearish here. Okay. Just wacky looking price action. 10 minutes until Powell starts speaking here. Gives his testimony, is it? Is he a Christian or something? Is he giving his testimony? Testifies. Jerome Powell. He's going to give his testimony of how Jesus Christ saved his life. All right, second entry short setting up here, but I mean, it's above the 20 MA, obviously. It's a little hard to take this second entry short if I'm to take it. I might as well just wait till Jerome starts speaking here. Ruben up 1K. Let's go. All right. 150K count is a clear winner. All right. All right. Okay. So we have a second entry short forming here. I mean, I'm thinking failed second entry short at this point. It looks like this. I mean, if this goes up, I mean, there's nothing I can do. I can't enter this trade. I need my setup. I need some sort of pullback. I need something. Give me a second inch short here. And wow, I need it to fail. Momentum's so strong. Not allowing me in. Okay. 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 Okay, pandas. Please don't trigger up here. Definitely don't give me an outside bar reversal. I hate that. It's the last thing I want, outside bar reversal. I'll take it up here though, but I don't like it. I don't like it, pandas. I don't love it. It's like a B minus setup here. B minus is not bad. Not the worst. I should rank all my setups. B minus setup. Right, we're not close to the 20 MA. It's going the direction we want. It's kind of a setup we want. And the stop loss is way too small here. I honestly feel like the stop loss needs to be like down here. But that's a lot of risk, right? That's a lot of risk we're holding. But am I that confident in the uptrend is a question. What I can do is just take my stop loss here, and if it creates a second entry long, just take the second entry long. You know what I mean? Polly's going to start speaking as well in about 5.5 minutes. I don't know. This stop loss is too small for this trade, to be honest. I'll take the hit. I'll move on. I'll move on. I'll move on. If it takes me out here, it is what it is. The 10,000 tick chart does look like it wants a small pullback here, right? To create the second leg down, to create the second entry long. Or I'll take the second entry long on a 10,000 tick chart, right? Trigger this for me, and I'll be ready for the second entry long on a 10K chart. Make up for whatever losses I make here. Okay, decent push up here. I could take the 1-to-1. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit. 1-to-1 hit. Pops up a little bit.
Target filled.
Alright, I mean, I got the 1-to-1. The risk was so small. It's popping off now. Could have held it a little bit more, but 1-to-1 was good for me. A-okay, pandas. The B minus trade works out. Pandas. Alright. Polly's gonna start speaking. I do have a unfortunately a hard stop at 10:30 today. I'm gonna end the stream a little bit early. Just a little. Just a little bit. But we'll be back tomorrow, don't worry. Don't worry, pandas. Don't cry. I know you guys are gonna miss me. I'm gonna miss you guys. That's for sure. Ooh. pushing down. Pushing down. Double top on the 5-minute chart. Very interesting here. I don't know. It's a double top right now on the 5-minute. Double top 10,000 tick. Creating a second entry long now on the 10,000 tick chart. It's quite far away from 20 man. Could be a double top here. Someone in the rock is weeping. It's okay. It's okay. All right. Powell is going to start speaking in about 1.5 minutes. I think we can hold our horses until then. Tell my hard stop I have a hard go. Tell my hard stop I have a hard stop. Alright, we're just dancing around here a little bit. Powell's gonna start speaking around 10. About 1 minute, pandas, and then it's gonna start going crazy. Get ready. I doubt it though. I hope the first word that comes out of his mouth is just recession. He goes up to the stand and just says recession, and then we'll just see what happens. And that's all he says. I would love to see that. Second entry long about to form on the 10K chart here. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Recession. All right, Powell starts speaking. He's speaking very slowly. Okay. Fail second entry long here, or second entry long is the question. Okay. Triangle forming here. I'm going to take a chance with the second entry long here. And most likely reverse my trade if it traps. But man, this is tough. Okay. It's getting choppy now. Several overlapping bars now at this point. Bad looking signal bar now. That's your signal bar. Okay. Now it's pushing down. Oh, I don't know, pandas. Are we going up or are we going down? I mean, it's tough because it looks like trading range, right? Big up, big down, big up. What is this market up to? What is this market up to right now? It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 overlapping bars now. It's a silly trade. But you know, I'm a silly panda. C minus setup. I mean, I'm looking for a new high, right, pandas? Isn't that what we're looking for here? Do I want to reverse the trade is a question if it traps. No, I think it needs another push up. I think it needs another push up. Ooh, you're reversing quickly though here. I think it still needs another push up though. Maybe it needs another push down before another push up. Is that what it wants? Do I want to reverse this trade? For a double top reversal here. Could be massive. Could be massive. Could be massive double top reversal here. Trap triggers. Yeah. This got me. Jeez. I don't know what to make of this. Guess I wanted a new low, maybe. I don't know.
5-minute trap.
Now it wants to go up. I'll try one more attempt to go long here. We're gonna try and make up the losses we just had here. I mean, this could just be trading range at this point as well. I could be getting chopped up here. Jerome the Butcher. Powell the Butcher. Chopping us all up. We'll try one more attempt to go long here. To test the previous week's high. See if we can get it.
5-minute trap.
If I get chopped up here, then I'm just really misreading the market. I gotta wait for some clear movement here. I really am trying to take advantage of this uptrend here, and this is so choppy. The immediate price is so choppy, it could really affect this uptrend. Right, it could be converting to trading range, but I'm gonna attempt it here, and if I get hit, I get hit. Move on, but I think this is worth it here. Looking for a new high, looking for a push up here on this strong uptrend. Downtrend, I mean, big up, big down, big up. I mean, it's tough.
10,000 tick trap.
Or 10,000 tick chart triggers a second entry long here. 5-minute also triggers the second entry long here. I think I'm in a good place. I think at this point, if these second entry longs fail, the market is just massively confused and trading range. But I think I'm willing to hold it here. It looks decent. It looks decent to make a new high here of some sort. I could be absolutely wrong, but it makes sense to make a new high here, in my opinion. Higher low forming. Or not. Come on, Jerome. Dromskis. Why is your testimony so boring? Come on, do something nice. What's the whole point of you speaking? The moment he speaks, the market just fell asleep. Ooh, higher low? That's good for me. I'll take the higher low. If we can actually trigger a higher low. Can get out of this choppiness. Super chop right now. I got like 12 overlapping bars in a row. Maybe that's my signal to just get out altogether. Maybe it's my signal to get out altogether. Just massive choppiness. Yikes. I don't know. Hold.
10,000 tick trap.
Hold. Traps may trigger on the higher time frames, which would be bad. So, Pandas, how you guys doing? Ooh, that's not good. That is muy mal. Muy mal. Trading range. Overlapping bars. Just nasty right now. I'm getting chopped up. Jerome the Butcher. That's what his name is. Jerome the Butcher. Looking for that new high. Never get it. Big push down. Big pain. I'm definitely down. I'm down 370. Darn. What can you do? It is what it is. 5 minute creating the outside bar, right? Not inside bar, but just it's a IO pattern, right? Inside bar, outside bar. Meaning confusion. I thought Jerome will put some volatility in the market. In fact, he just made the market fall asleep here. Chopping me up here. That was a good trade, to be honest. Right, we had the second entry longs triggering on the 10,000 tick chart, the 5 minute chart as well, and they both reverse and fail, and now we're coming right back up. Right back up here. I'm sitting on my pause now. I mean, I can't make a trade here. I've already got hit here so many times. I got hit here twice, Pandas. Just when the count started turning green, we get this massive choppiness. Like, can we get one good opening hour, Pandas? That's all I'm asking for. Is that too much to ask for? One good opening hour, not this. Not this nonsense, please. That's all I want. Is it too much to ask for? Goodness gracious. I might as well just trade the chop, right? I might as well go short here. Should I just go short here on the next reversal? And just take advantage of the choppiness? Super bullish now after it takes me out by the tick. I mean, it is what it is, Pandas. It is what it is, truly. Stop hunting me here. Jerome the Butcher.
$10,000 tick trap.
I mean, I got nothing here. It goes up after it takes me up by one tick. I mean, it creates this nasty looking outside bar reversal. I'm not holding it past that. You know, it is what it is. Yeah, what can you do? Got killed. Got absolutely destroyed. High or low setting up here? I mean, what can you do? Takes you up by the tick, tick shots you, and then goes up. I mean, it's just, it is what it is. That's the kind of day we're having today. Tick shots me perfectly here. Pandas, it's just so frustrating. Tick shots me perfectly here. You know what's annoying? Tick shots me here as well, and then tick shots me again. I got 2 tick shots. I got 2 tick shots. It just turned into this perfect trading range here. 1 tick beneath, people are buying. It is what it is now. I'm looking for a reversal here. I do not care. I'm looking for a fail second entry long of some sort. If I can get it. It does reach the target that I had originally if it didn't tick shot me, but it's all good, pandas. I mean, I don't know how else I would really have handled my stop loss. That's a stop loss I would had. Like, there's no other better stop loss for me there. I mean, it is what it is right there. That's the stop loss. Give me a fail second entry long, I'll take it. I got double tick shotted. Boom and boom. Okay. Sitting on my pause here. I just. The double tick shot, man. Unbelievable. I mean, at the end, I should have. Once I saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 overlapping bars, maybe I shouldn't have gone long, even though I had a strong premise. I mean, my final premise is right. It's just tick shots me both times. I wasn't ready. I wasn't willing to try again. I really wasn't willing to try again here. I don't know what to make of this. Are we in a bull trend right now, or what? What's going on? Okay. Um, hmm. Nah, this market's doing nothing right now. Come on, seriously. Pandas, couple things. Next week, Tuesday, is going to be the big kahuna news. And the nice thing is that BBM was 71% off, 3 days to pass, your evals, and $35 resets. That ends next Wednesday. So that means that you still have some time, right? My recommendation is this. If you're going to trade the news to pass your evals, might as well stock up on the trading days now, right? Get your trading days in now. And so by the time you get to the news next Tuesday, you already have your 3 days, and boom, you're funded. Because next week on Tuesday at 8:30 a.m. there is a CPI numbers, and the CPI numbers is really big news, especially in the super interest inflation rate sensitive market. It has a lot of potential to move the market. So I would say, if you like to get funded, the easiest way to do it is with news. And next week we have that type of news ready to go. I mean, this looks bullish, but no setups. I mean, do I want a second entry long here even? Do I want? It's like a limit order market, but it's going long. It's just one of those. says, before you stock up on evals, make sure you know how to trade first. That is an absolute. If you're just starting, I would recommend this path for you. Get one single account, right? It's cheap. It's dirt cheap. Get one single account, trade that up, get practice, pass the evals, trade normally, pass the evals, get funded, and fund yourself, right, to get new evals. That's the plan, right? That's the long-term plan. If you can do that, then you are golden. Second entry long here. I don't even know. It's dumb. It's a dumb trade. I don't even know anymore. I almost just want to go short here at this point. Got an inside bar, 10,000 tick chart. If this reverses, I actually most likely will reverse it here. Even as a volatile, I'll reverse it here. This needs to really blast off here for me. It's above the 20 man. I can't even do this. Trap trade here. I mean, it looks like it wants to blast off here, to be honest. Just need some time to cook. Alright, I'm in this trade. Last trade of the day. Last trade of the stream. We're gonna see if we get a big reversal here. If we can't get it, then we're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. Diddly done. Right, traps and then double reversals. It's just impossible to trade this. I mean, it looks like a strong uptrend. It looks like it's gonna blast off here. All right, I'm out. I'm out here. All right, I'm done. Down 529. That's it, Pandas. I can't handle it. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow, Pandas. We're going to end a little early today. Pandas, jeez. I just cannot handle this price action. It gets so choppy. Look at this nonsense here. I just can't handle it. I'm done for today. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright. The double tick shot got me. I cannot even trade. I cannot even think straight anymore, Pandas. I'm so tilted. I'm so tilted, Pandas. Here's another one for you. I am so tilted. It is what it is, Pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Trade safe, everyone. Seriously, trade safe. It's dangerous out there. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bright and early. Pandas. Pandas. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.